Will publishing more videos on your channel bring any big difference? To answer that question, last week I set a challenge for myself to publish daily videos on my channel. That's caring for elderly parents remotely. 7 days later, I'm back here to share with you the results. So in today's episode, I'll share with you information on what I set out to do, what I did in terms of videos, and then I'll share the results with you by taking you to my YouTube analytics page and sharing the results from there. After that, I'll share a few lessons which I learned, and I'll also share with you what I'm planning to do in the coming week and also in future. So welcome to today's episode. Just to give you a brief on what I did, I posted 6 videos. The video that I'm working on today, which I'll publish today, will be the 7th one. I can comfortably say that I recorded and published 7 videos within the week. The other thing that I did was to post at different times of the day, partly as an experiment and partly depending on the time when I finished recording and editing. And the other thing that I did was to post videos of different lengths. So I posted videos and I also posted shorts. The minimum length of my video was 12 minutes and the maximum was 22 minutes. I also did this as an experiment so as to be able to see maybe after 1 month to come back and analyze and see which videos got more views and if that's what I can focus on. So what else did I do? I focused on specific themes. Publish a series of videos on my caregiving journey. So as a result of that, as you can see from the photo there, I published videos on indicators that your parents need help. Since we are on a journey, I would focus on videos to do with indicators. For now, let's go back to the beginning. So at a glance, as you can see from the photo on the screen, which is a screenshot from my YouTube analytics, I got 1,100 views. They might not appear to be much for some of you, but for me, this was a lot. Even YouTube tells me that those were a lot of views, in that I got 613% more views compared to last week. And moving on to look at watch time, I had a total of 10.5 hours, and they might again appear to be very few, but YouTube tells me that I had an increase of 156% more compared to last week. That's compared to the last 7 days, which again, I'm like, Eileen, you did so well. And looking at the number of subscribers, I got 11 subscribers. Thank you to each one of you. That YouTube tells me I had 267% more subscribers compared to last week. But now they've increased to 24 subscribers. So my room is getting filled up. Guys, if these people were in my living room, some of them would be standing up. So I'm very glad to have so many of you coming along with me. Moving on to views. Most of my views came from shorts. That's I had 840 views from shorts and 72 from my 6 videos. During the week, I posted 5 shorts and I posted 6 videos. But then when I look at the views, I see that my shorts brought me more views compared to my videos. And they actually brought me also more subscribers because I got 9 subscribers from my shorts and 2 subscribers from the videos. What I'm going to do in the coming week is to increase the number of shorts because my shorts are linked to my videos in terms of the theme, the topic. Usually it relates to my videos. The way I use shorts, it's like they are an introduction to my videos. So if I'm having more people watching my shorts, it means that I have very high chances of them finding my videos because they are related. That with the hope that the people who watch the shorts will have time or will come back and watch the related videos. Next, we move down to impressions. I got 5,500 impressions in the last 7 days. And out of that, 70.2% were from YouTube recommending my content, which I guess is something very good. From there, we move on to audience. And what I see is that I had 7 returning viewers and 948 new viewers. Thank you for the new viewers. It means that my audience will continue to grow because I'm having a lot of new people coming to watch my content. Yes, you are welcome. There is still room in my channel. So keep on subscribing, keep on watching, return and watch more because I'll be having more videos for you. In relation to the number of new viewers that I see I'm getting, what am I planning to do, especially in relation to how do I capture more of them? So that's why I said I've developed playlists and I'm going to have a series of videos in each of the playlists. If you have that need, you need to provide care to your elderly parents and especially from afar. Then if you subscribe and you come along with me, you will be able to develop a strategy to do that. Then subscribe to the channel so that you come along with me on this journey. You'll be able to pick ideas and start implementing some of them almost immediately. So related to my audience, in the coming week or in the coming weeks, I plan to dig deeper. I'll go back to my analytics page to look at maybe which shorts, what topic of shorts or videos brought in most of my subscribers and most of my viewers. And then with that, then it means that there are people out there looking for that type of information. And I'll record more videos to be able to answer their questions. Next, let's move on and look at the gender and age menu items. I see that in relation to gender, most of my subscribers are female, they are women. That's 72.1% are women. And it's not a surprise, especially when you look at the focus of my channel, which is caring for elderly parents. And for me, that's a very good indicator. And in relation to age, 54.59% are between the age of 35 and 64 years, while 40.4% are over the age of 65. So if I combine the two age groups, what I can say is that 95% of my viewers are over the age of 35. And I'm so glad to see that because my target audience is midlife professionals. That's people who are juggling a career, family, and caregiving to their elderly parents. So thank you, my subscribers and my viewers, because from this, what I can tell is that I'm already on the right route, on the right track, because the right people are watching my videos. The right people are searching for the type of information that I'm sharing. And now let's move on to location. What I see is that my top 5 geographies, that's locations, 43.4% of the people are from the USA, 5.4% are from the UK, 3.2% are from Canada, 2.8% are from Jamaica, and 1.9% are from Trinidad and Tobago. So the other viewers come from Australia, Ghana, and South Africa. So again, looking at the locations where my viewers are coming from, I'm very happy with that because again, going back to my target audience, which includes immigrants who are providing care to their elderly parents from a distance remotely. Then if I have viewers from the US, UK, Canada, Australia, these are countries which have a lot of immigrants. If we combine gender, where we said most of them are women, 72.1% are women, we add on age, which indicates that most of my viewers are over the age of 35. If we combine that with location, US, UK, Canada, and if we add Australia, then it means that my viewers, there are high chances that this could be people who are providing long distance care to elderly parents. So we are on the right track so far. So in relation or in terms of analytics, that's what I'll share today. So from there, we now move on to the last section where I'm looking at what did I learn and what do I plan to do in the coming week. And the first question that I asked at the beginning, was it worth it? Will I do it again? It took a lot of my energy. I felt like I overstretched myself. You know, recording, editing, publishing one video per day. It took a lot of my time, and this is not the only work that I do each day. But when I look at the analytics, what I've just shared with you above, I made a lot of progress. So I might do it again. I'll let you know next week. One of the lessons that I want to single out relates to me as a creator because initially when I was thinking about researching, recording, editing, and publishing a video per day, then I got to learn about myself that I can actually overstretch myself to achieve a goal. The other lesson that I've learned is the usefulness of using the YouTube analytics section. Because without looking at that, I would have not known, for example, about my audience, like their gender, their age, and in the coming week, I'll spend more time looking at the analytics page, especially to understand which videos did you watch, especially for my new subscribers, the videos that you watched, and after that you decided to subscribe. So that's all that I have to share with you today. But before you go, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to growing your YouTube channel? Please comment below, share your challenge, or if you have a question or if you have something that you would like to share with others, comment below so that we get into a conversation about this. And if you've learned something from my video today, then please like the video, subscribe to my channel so that you can come along with me on this journey that's providing care to our elderly parents from a distance, from afar, remotely. Thank you for coming along with me, for coming this far with me. And click on this next video. So for now, it's a goodbye from me until the next episode. Bye-bye.